What I got, my new Grove products came in the mail. Let's open these bad boys and see what we got. Let's see. Oh, I like how well it's packed. Protect all the sprayers. Alright. So Grove has got an awesome giveaway thing, and I did it off of, what is that? Love Meg. The gift where you buy so much and you get so much free or something like that. So this is everything that I got in there. So this is a stoneware tray. Let's see if we can open it up. I don't think I can do it one-handed. Anyway, I'll do it in a minute. Okay. So I got dishwasher detergent packs. There's 20 of these. They're free and clear. That's awesome. Okay. I got a thing of hand soap. Oh, it says limited edition seasonal scent. I wonder what peppermint scent. Oh, yay! Okay, then there is dish soap. Oh, my word, y'all. Peppermint scent. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, this is the shower cleaner. I'm really excited about that. Cleans without having to rinse. Okay. What else is in here? Oh, this must have been the free stuff that came from that link that I clicked. Protected it really good. Oh, look. Cute little bucket. Oh, how cool is that? Okay. And then there's a thing of paper towels. Every 50 rolls purchased equals 1 tree planted. Let's see what this is. 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. Cool. Okay. I'm excited to try this out. Honestly, I do not know what of this was from the collaborative program. I did buy some extra stuff because if you buy some extra stuff, you got, I think it was this stoneware thing that you got free. So I bought some extra stuff because it wasn't much away. Okay, so facial towelettes with white tea. I can't wait to try those. What else is there? Lavender and oatmeal bar soap made with organic coconut and olive oils. I have got eczema and I can't use a whole lot of different soaps. So I'm anxious to see how this does on my skin. Okay, what is this? Laundry detergent packs. Does 8 loads. I think that was a part of the collaborative thing. I think. 95% bio-based. Okay. These, I got these. Walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge made from recycled renewable plant materials. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is the spray bottle with silicone sleeve. We'll have to open that in a minute. I'll have to put it on my... Okay, antibacterial bathroom cleaner, spearmint flavor. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all, and seriously, my son's autoimmune disorder, I am a antibacterial flip out. So if it's antibacterial, it's for me. Everyday cleaner, peppermint scent. Y'all, I'm loving this. Okay, what's this? Antibacterial toilet bowl cleaner. And another toilet bowl cleaner. Okay. Oh, what was this? Glass cleaner. Oh my word, I've never seen a tube of glass cleaner. Let's see what it says. How to use. Twist off top and dispense into 16.5 ounce glove silicone sleeve spray bottle. Fill bottle with water. Replace nozzle and shake gently. Alrighty then. So that goes with this for the glass cleaner then apparently. Yeah. Okay. And let's see what this little thing is they sent. Little card. Getting started. Oh, how cool. My Grove guide. Okay. Awesome then. So that is all my goodies. Let me get the my stand and we'll open some of this stuff and see what it looks like. Okay, let's move some of this stuff out of the way. Opening up this weird container. I wasn't sure what it was until I read the back of the glass tube that said to use, and it had the name on this tub of what it was. Silicone bottom bottle or something like that, I think it was. Everything is packaged so well. It's a glass bottle. It's a gorgeous bottle. Okay, I thought this was going to be a gel when I opened it up, and it squirted a little bit out on me. But the glass cleaner tube is actually a very thin, clear liquid, almost like water. You can tell when I squirt it in there. If you'll notice, a minute ago, I picked up the hand soap and handed it to my husband. He discovered the dish soap that smelled like peppermint, and he's like, I'm taking this to the bathroom. I'm like, no, 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 I got hand soap here. So it was hilarious. He was going to take the peppermint dish soap to the bathroom because he liked how it smelled. So I just added some clear water in here, putting the cap back on and shaking it up. And now we're going to take out the stone tray and let you guys see it. Seriously, opening this box, this is like the hardest box I have ever in my life tried to open. But it's the material that it's made out of was thick, which is good because it protects it, but it was really hard to open it. It's gorgeous, shiny stone. It's made very well. I'm going to open up one of these sponges and put on here, put the dish soap on here, and see how it's going to look when it sits in the kitchen. Okay, so little did I know that getting that tray out with the gorgeous soap and sponge on it was going to trigger me to clean my kitchen sink, but I thought this gorgeous new stuff needs to have a pretty place to sit. I have not cleaned off my sink in a while, so I thought I would go ahead and do that. So here I just wiped the back down. I sprayed some degreaser on my base or my splash guard on the back. I did not realize that the top of it was so dirty, but so I sprayed my sink down as I'm letting the degreaser sit on the back, and I'm just scrubbing my sink out. Sorry I keep getting in the way of the camera, guys. Rinse out the sink. Wipe everything down good. And now I'm just putting some more degreaser on there, and I'm going to scrub all of that with a toothbrush. I cannot believe how gunked up it gets around a sink without realizing it. It is really something that you've got to stay on top of. Okay, so now I noticed I noticed that the kitchen windowsill needed to be cleaned. That is the thing about cleaning, right? Every time you clean something, you notice something else that needs to be done. But then when it's all clean, you feel so good about it. And I just sprayed some more degreaser up there. I guess the cooking oils and all that stuff from cooking in the kitchen steams it up where stuff sticks. So now I'm trying out some of my brand new Meyer's glass cleaner that we mixed up just a minute ago. And I've got actual wood windowsills, so I'm putting some spray on there to protect that and to clean it. Just wiping everything down again. Rinsing the sink out again. and drying out the sink so that it doesn't streak up. Okay guys, and I told you that I was going to tell you how you could get some of these products for free. There is going to be a link down below the video that you can click, and it will take you to where you can pick up some of the Grove products for free yourself. So you get some free, and I get some free for referring you. Good deal.